Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can view your status on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon in our bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our settings. Next, we're going to select privacy. That's located in the second section. So we'll go ahead and click on privacy and it's going to take us here. So in the first section, the last option we have is status. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Is defaultly set it to my contacts. So either all your contacts can view your status, your contacts, except if you want to hide your status from a particular individual, maybe 2, 3, 5 people, and you can select only share with. So for example, if you want 2 or 3 contacts to view your status. So we're just going to leave it in my contacts, but that's how you change who can view your status. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.